What's going on, everybody? Today we are in the gs350, and as you can read from the title of the video, we're going to be wrapping the interior trim on the car. So with the base model gs350, you have like, I think, two types of trim, like two types of trims. You have like the wood, I guess, trim, and then you have this gloss black on the side control panels, and then the wood trim right here. So right here, so like I have a decision to make. Like I have this carbon fiber wrap, but I also ordered like forged carbon fiber to mimic like the GSF interior. So it's kind of like I have like a decision to make whether to wrap like the wood trim in carbon fiber or forged carbon fiber, and then leave the gloss black, or the other way around, like wrap this and then leave the wood trim. Because I feel like if I do like regular carbon fiber on this and then like forged carbon fiber here, it will like look kind of weird. But yeah, I don't have the forged carbon fiber yet. It's coming in, but yeah, we can get started on this and see how I like it, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. But right now the easy part is taking off this this side trim right here, and then yeah, we'll start wrapping those and then leave the wood trim for later. Let's get started. So with this, it's pretty easy. You just get like the plastic trim removal tool, get under here, and then just pop it off. See if I can do it. Just held in by clips. Here we go. Oh, it's just one. So you just undo this, and then it's out. And then with this thing, it's pretty, like, you won't be able to wrap it with these controls in place. So it has like these kind of tabs that you kind of pry out, and then you'll be able to take out the little buttons. Once you take it out, you'll be able to see these tabs. There you go. And then makes it like 10 times easier to wrap. So I'm just going to do this 3 more times and then get started. So with this thing, the center console, it's a bit more trickier. You're gonna have to undo these two sides, and then it's held in by clips and a couple screws, I think. But yeah, we'll see if I can remember how to do it. So this part's pretty easy. It's held in by these clips. You just kind of show you. It's held in like that. You just kind of pull it, and then it'll pop off. So to fully take off these side panels, I had to like just reach down here and pull on here, and it would remove this kind of like trim piece right here. So that should be able to remove the side piece. And those are just like clips. So right here, there are 2 screws. 1, 2. Let's remove the shift knob. You pull down on this boot cover, and then just twist. Which I need to replace this as well. It's already, little plastic thing is peeling. Let's see. If you ever try to replace it on eBay, most of them will just come off, won't have the same, I guess, clips, but with like 13 plus, you have this like angle right here, and most of the ones you'll find on eBay are just like flat. So yeah, it won't fit. You're gonna have to find like the shift cover boot from a 16 plus for it to work. and it should be able to just pop off. So you remove those 2 screws and the rest are just clips. Alrighty, I'm gonna bring the parts into the garage and then start wrapping. With this piece, I have no idea how to remove it. I'm just gonna undo some screws and then see what works and what doesn't. So figured out removing these 2 things. You just kind of pull up like this, pull up, this, pull up. So it's just 2 clips, and this is just a little mouse pad hole where this goes into. Well, as you can hear, it's getting rainy and cold out here, so I'm just gonna bring all these pieces inside and start wrapping in front of Netflix or something like that. So check back with you later. So this is basically it, all done. Took me basically through Oppenheimer, Sicario, those 2 movies to finish it, because I was just taking my time, but it still looks like garbage. Definitely not perfect. Looks decent. I like it. It's pretty nice carbon. I think this is like, it says like 6D carbon or something like that. Not too bad. Excited to see what it looks like in the car. We are back, and here's the piece, and I have no idea how some of these pieces go back on, so yeah, let's go on this journey with me. These door ones are pretty easy. It's just the center console one. A bit tricky. Now, this nice. That was easy enough. This piece connects to this piece. 2 screws on the bottom, 2 black screws, and it just pops in. But yeah, you can see the bubbles here. I'm not too bothered by it. Looks pretty decent compared to the gloss black. Nice. Pop this back in. Nice. There you have it. Here's the rear passenger side. There you have it. Super quick video, just wrapping the interior trim pieces. But still need to make a decision what I want to do with the wood trim. We'll cross that road once the vinyl gets here. But yeah, there you have it. Till the next one. See ya.